Hello friends, welcome to my channel Indrani Cooks, where I make cooking easy and fun filled. Today I am going to make a very special recipe from a restaurant called Hanida Dhaba, very famous restaurant in Kolkata, Kakurgachi. Their egg chicken tadka. I am going to make that today. So friends, let's start our cooking. Here I have heated a pan. To this I am going to add 2 tablespoonful of white oil. To this I am adding ginger garlic paste when the oil is heated, and when the ginger garlic paste starts spluttering, I will fry till it loses its rawness. To this I am going to add some chicken strips. These chicken strips I have marinated with a little bit of salt, vinegar and a little bit of sugar for half an hour. Now after that, squeezing out the marination, I have put the chicken into the skillet and I will fry it. And to this I am adding a little bit of turmeric powder, salt according to taste, a little bit of salt actually because it was marinated in salt. And now fry this nicely till they become golden in color. To this I am going to add some Kashmiri red chili powder to give a rich color. Now fry this till they are soft. Actually this will take 3 to 4 minutes maximum in medium heat. Now it's soft. Yes, you can see friends, the chicken is nicely soft. Now cut them into strips like this. Now here I will be taking a fresh pan. To that also I will be adding 4 teaspoonful of white oil again, and when the oil is heated, to this I'm going to add 1 dry red chili and 1 large onion, omelette cut chopping, and then goes some garlic, chopped ginger and some green chili, chopped green chili, and I will be frying them all till they are golden in color. Now it's fried golden in color. Here I am adding 1 large tomato. Actually I have added the 3/4 of the tomato. You can add small pieces also. You can add large pieces like this also. Now fry this till tomatoes are soft and mushy. This took me another 3 to 4 minutes. Now tomatoes are nicely mushy and the onion have become golden in color. Now to this I am going to add 1 egg. Now add this egg according to your choice. You can add 2 or 3 eggs also according to the quantity of your tadka that you are going to make. Here I have added 1 egg. Now I will be frying this egg, and after that I will be adding a little bit of white oil. This is a trick of the restaurant chef. Please don't ignore this. Add a little bit of white oil here while frying the egg once more. So now I will be frying the egg again, and after the egg is a little bit fried, I will be adding some masala. First goes turmeric powder, then goes red chili powder and a little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder once more, some coriander powder and some cumin powder. Now I will be frying all of them very nicely till the masalas lose their raw odor and it gives out a very nice smell. When they are nicely fried, I will be adding half teaspoonful of kasuri methi, and on top of the kasuri methi I am going to add a little bit of desi ghee. Don't ignore the steps friends to get the typical restaurant flavor. Now here I am adding the fried chicken along with the juice, and again I will be mixing and frying them very nicely. Friends, if you all like my recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible, and those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe, and those who are already with me, a lot of thanks to all of them. And if you want to get the notification of all my videos as soon as I upload, please also press the bell icon next to it, so you will be getting all the notification as soon as I upload my videos. Now here I add the mixed dal here today I have used mixed dal. You can use the dal and mix it in your home also. I have given the details of the dal, that is you can add kali dal, whole moong dal, chana dal and rajma. And I have boiled them. First of all, I have soaked them for overnight, and then I have boiled with a little bit of salt and turmeric to it, and then 2 or 3 whistles was more than enough, but you can adjust according to your taste. Now fry this till you get the desired consistency. If it is too dry, you can add some boiled water also. Here I have adjusted the seasoning, adding a little bit of salt. Now again add 1 teaspoonful of Kashmiri red chili powder, and after adding the Kashmiri red chili powder, I will be adding handful of coriander leaves. And after adding coriander leaves, first I will be mixing, and a dollop of butter goes into it, and I'll wait till the butter melts, and then I'll come back to show you the rest. When the dollop of butter is nicely mixed to this, I'm going to add half a teaspoonful of desi ghee once more. When the desi ghee melts and totally mixes with the tadka, I will be adding half a teaspoonful of garam masala powder. Here I have used homemade garam masala powder. You can use Shahi garam masala powder of Everest or anything of your choice, the garam masala powder, and then mix it very nicely and let it simmer. After adding the garam masala, let it simmer for 2 more minutes. This is very important steps. Actually friends, all the steps that I have shown you is important to get the exact Hanida Dhaba taste. Actually in Hanida Dhaba restaurant, they do not have this egg chicken tadka in their menu, but the people, those who visit like me regularly, you have to ask them, and their chef makes this for you. Now garnish it with a little bit of dhania patta or coriander leaves of cilantro, and let me know how you enjoyed it. Be happy, be merry. Catch you all soon again. Thanks for watching.